stuff like that. Nothing like a little lab disaster to give you superpowers. Bad idea! Bad idea! Bad idea!
I can't believe my luck. I just washed my car and it's already covered in bird dookie.
Sorry. My bad.
Oh!